Creating an announcement. If we would like to create an announcement using a Tennessee web page, first we need to sign in. Once we are signed in, we need to decide if we want to use an existing picture or maybe use a new picture. So this is how we can upload a new picture. Let's say that we want to pick the one we already picked for another project. This is a big one. In order to use that, you need to pay attention to that. There is a problem here. This is uploaded, so we can use this picture with a reference ID of this. So I copied that. I'm going to an article. I want to add a new document. I want to create a web announcement for the last end of the school celebration, end of the school year celebration of Turkish school. I would like this to appear both under Turkish school and also under the home page, so every visitor can easily see that. I want this to be a public document, so anyone can see that. Otherwise, it will only be seen by or visual to the admin or maintenance users who signed in. Since I'm gonna delete that, I'm gonna just put some words here. Summary, it's very important to pay attention to the summary. I'm gonna repeat this a couple of times so that you can see how it's gonna appear. By the way, this can be a challenging process. So let's see if we copy this. Although I uploaded this page, I just copied it. As you can see, I cannot see it here. In order to have a picture here, I need to use this, insert picture capabilities, and I realized that I copied something else, so I don't have it, which is fine. I can edit later on. If I click submit now, for a while people are gonna see something funny. As you can see, there is no picture here, and it's this, and content is this. So I quickly want to go to here, web objects. What's I would like to look for the picture that I uploaded, so it should be last. Here we go. I want to copy the URL for this. Go back to articles. This is the one I want to edit. So let's just try to include this picture in two different places. One is in the announcement, so you can resize it. It's a big picture. Anyways, I'm gonna delete this. So other one is to include it here. It is recommended that you have a picture that's already reduced to this size. Otherwise, it's really it's neither practical nor desirable to reduce it here to 100 by 100, but in general, I try to find a small picture for this. So if I submit this, you will see what's going to happen. I have a huge picture because I didn't size the picture here, this one. So let me just delete that and submit. Assuming that you have a small picture here, you will have the summary part seen here. It's very important to recheck the size, make sure it looks right, it breaks up in the right place. It's not that easy to arrange. This will also appear under Turkish school. So if you go back here, actually let me go to web objects and try to find this one. I know that it worked before, so I can just use this picture. Going back here, and using this picture here as the thumbnail. It's still big. I want to reduce it down to 100 by 100. Ideally it should fit into this group. What else? Let's just change this and see how it looks. March 10, 2013. I'm making this up. Sunday 4 to 6. Let's see how it looks now. You see that the picture is right there. Returns are not carried over, so you see it as a continuous line. And when you click, you see the picture, the text, and all that. So this is how you create an article. And this is the one we had before. This is the one I created. I would like to go back and move this to archive and remove it from the home page to make sure that everything is set to what it was. As you can see, it's removed from the home page and it is also removed from the Turkish school tab. This is the original one I had there. This is how we create a new web page entry. Thank you.